What's up, guys? It's Fireball, and I am back. I'm not dead. This fat bozo is not dead.
You're not fat. You're
Mildly
awesome.
adequate. No, I'm kidding. Anyways, I got an unboxing for you. Something new. I wanted to open it up by itself, but duck it, right? I'm gonna open it anyways. Recording, at least.
Yeah.
And what we have here is unmasked, or not unmasked, masked Sabine. Almost forgot to cover that. Yeah, masked Sabine, Walgreens online exclusive. Get it, guys, while it's still out. I don't know how long it'll last, boys. Make sure you get it.
Yeah, or else you're gonna miss out on a
So
chance.
as we open up into this here, I've been waiting for this one for a while, actually. Star Wars Rebels isn't that bad. I mean,
I prefer the Clone Wars.
yeah, it's not quite the best, but they got some things right.
Yeah.
It won't be as good as the Clone Wars, but oh well, we'll live on, as long as they don't bring back Jar Jar Binks.
Oh God.
Please.
I saw Jar Jar Binks.
I'll die. I really will die. But as we get into this, come on now.
Wait, hold on. I want to show you a picture my friend made. Hold on. It's Vegito. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay,
Yeah.
back to you, my dude.
Alright, as we open up, oh yeah. Nice. Walgreens did a good job. Look at the box, man. Look at oh my god, look at Sabine, dude. This is actually really nice. I like this pop.
Can you do a 360 for us, my dude?
The box a little bit iffy, but alright. A 360? Like,
Yeah.
what do you mean?
Like spinning around so you can show the people the box. Okay. Yep. Do the side.
Auschwitz, I mean. And as we got in this collection, we got Ahsoka and Masked Sabine. I got actually Ahsoka. I might do a review on that, but yeah, I got her a while back when she came out. So completed mini set, awesome.
You need to catch up a lot on all the Funkos we've got recently.
Yeah, I got a lot over time, but let's open this up, shall we?
In your absence, for all the Pepel,
The Pep House, Pen Pal Dolph.
the Pepe.
Alright, as we open up here.
Oh
my
yeah.
gosh,
Also,
her stand just went flying.
that right there is the Animaniacs Yakko Funko Pop. And was it you or Dad that got me that?
It was none, actually. It was Isabel.
Oh yeah, Isabel. Yeah, Isabel.
I was
Yeah,
like, what?
my aunt got me that. So yeah, thanks.
How do you forget that, mate?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, there we go. Alright.
I was probably thinking of Batman.
Oh man, that stand is really messed up.
I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's like scratched.
Oh well, though.
No one really keeps the bases.
Yeah. Here we are, look at that. Masked Sabine. This is a really cool pop. Nice ass. Luigi. Here we are. Masked Sabine, guys. Thanks for watching. This is a really cool pop. I really do recommend it, right, Chris?
Yeah.
Who could say no to a Mandalorian mask? That's a really nice helmet. So, thank you for watching. I will be back with more videos. I can't count on it when. I know I made false promises in the past. I won't lie to you again. I'm sorry about that. I do watch other Funko Pop channels.
Like
Hashtag
P2.
shout out to P2. Funko Latte. I hope that is right. He changed his name. It was before Funko Pop Reviews, but it's Funko Latte. I will have to search the name. I will recommend both those channels, P2 and Funko Pop Reviews. I'm just going to call him that for now. I'm just terribly sorry if you're watching this. You're a really cool dude. Love your videos, man. And yeah, thanks for watching. Shout out to the cameraman. You want to say what your channel name is?
My channel name. I actually changed. I don't know if you've seen my recent video, but I changed my channel name. So yeah.
Yeah, to like a billion things.
I think I might change it.
He
back to
changes it like every other week. Trust me, guys.
Not every other week.
Yeah, he does. Don't even baloney me on that.
think I might
Anyways,
change
thank
that.
you for watching, guys. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel and hopefully their channels if I remember to. If not, you know, goddamn, stop. Yeah. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. Peace out.